Hello everyone, welcome to Pinoy Rab YouTube channel. I am Jana Crispy Bacayo. You can call me Jana or Chris for short. And our topic for today is Filipino memes. And before we start, don't forget to like, share, and hit the notification bell and subscribe for more updates of Pinoy Rab YouTube channel. So, Filipinos are known for their sense of humor, resilience, and creativity, all of which shine in Filipino memes. Whether it's poking fun at daily struggles, nostalgia, love, or pop jokes, or pop culture, Pinoy memes are more than just jokes. They are a reflection of Filipino life and identity. So, first is Uuwi na ako meme, OFW memes. Millions of Filipinos work abroad, sending money home to support their families while they always promise to come home soon. Responsibilities often keep them away longer. This ongoing cycle has become a running joke, making OFW-related memes both funny and sentimental. Popular example: skeleton meme. A skeleton waiting on a chair with the caption, "Hintay ka lang, uuwi na ako, kunting ipon na lang." Or, in English, "Just wait, I'll be home soon, just a little more saving." And balikbayan box struggles. A photo of a Filipino packing an overload balikbayan box, captioned, "Bakit parang lumiliit yung bagahe ko?" Or, in English, "Why does my luggage feel smaller?" Or another one, airport drama. A meme of an emotional hug at the airport, captioned, "Sa wakas, pero aalis ulit next month." Or in English, "Finally home, but leaving again next month." And we're gonna talk about why it's funny. Many Filipino have relatives working abroad, and they've seen this cycle repeat over and over again. These memes highlight the bittersweet reality of being an OFW. So let's move on to the next topic. Number 2, Jejemon and Bekimon language. The Jejemon era, early 2010s, saw young Filipinos typing in exaggerated, hard-to-read styles. Meanwhile, Bekimon, a playful LGBTQ+ slang, became widely used in entertainment and social media. Popular examples: Digimon typing, like funny typing, like typos, or Eos po mustana XD, or hello po mustana XD. And the other one is Mars, carry mo pa? Charot. Or friend, can you still handle it? Just kidding. And we're gonna talk about why Jejemon and Bekimon is funny. Jejemon typing was seen as cool, but later became a meme of cringe-worthy texting habits. Meanwhile, Bekimon is entertaining because of its exaggerated, witty nature. So, let's move on. Number 3, Hugot lines, emo memes. Hugot, or meaning pool in Filipino, refers to deep, emotional, and often dramatic expressions about love, heartbreak, and love struggles. Hugot memes turn these emotions into relatable and exaggerated humor. Popular examples: parang jeepney ka, siksikan na, pinasakay mo pa. Like, a jeepney, already full yet you still let someone in. Next one is, akala ko bahay kubo ka pero bakit ang dami mong sili? Or in English, I thought you were a simple hut, but why are you so spicy? Joke. Just kidding. Refers to a person with a temper. temper. So let's talk about why is it so funny. Filipino love drama, but they also laugh through pain. These memes turn heartbreak into comedy, making them viral worthy. Number 4. Traffic and communicating woes. Woes? Okay. Metro Manila is infamous for horrible traffic and overcrowded public transport. This daily struggle has inspired thousands of memes. Popular examples, mas mabilis pa ako sa traffic sa EDSA. Or, in English, I move faster than EDSA traffic. Next is MRT survival mode. A meme of people packed like sardines inside a train caption. Ang tunay na strongest Avenger, yung sumakay sa MRT tuwing rush hour. Or in English, the real strongest Avenger, the one who rides the MRT during rush hour. So, why is it funny for the Filipinos? It's because every commuter in the Philippines has suffered through these struggles. So these memes hit home. Number 5. Walang tatalo sa or brand. This is a brand loyalty memes. Filipinos love their brands, from Jollibee to Milo, from exaggerated. Memes exaggerate this loyalty to hilarious levels. Popular examples: Jollibee versus McDonald's. A meme of a heated debate. Caption, walang tatalo sa Chicken Joy. Or in English, nothing beats Chicken Joy. Pinoy versus imported brands. A photo of a local shampoo brand versus a foreign one with a caption, mas maganda pa rin ang gawang Pinoy. Or in English, Filipino made is still better. So, why is it funny? Filipino take brand loyalty seriously, making these memes a hilarious debate. So, number 6. Nung bata ako versus ngayong matanda na. Filipinos love nostalgia, and comparing childhood innocence to adult responsibilities is meme gold. Popular examples: childhood versus adulthood. A photo of a happy kid playing versus a stressed adult working. Nung bata ako, gusto ko na tumanda. Ngayong matanda na, gusto ko na maging bata ulit. Or in English, when I was a kid, I wanted to grow up fast. Now that I'm grown up, I want to be a kid again. So, why is it funny? Every Filipino misses their childhood, especially me, making these memes both relatable and bittersweet. Number 7. Teleserye stereotypes. Filipino soap operas or teleseries are known for over-the-top drama, making them perfect for memes. Popular examples: the slap scene meme. A dramatic teleserye slap scene caption, handa ka na ba sa sampal ng katotohanan? Or, are you ready for the slap of truth? So, the next one is lost twin meme. A character realizing their enemy is their long-lost twin. So, why is it funny? Filipino teleseries are predictable but addictive, making them a comedic gold mine. So, number 8. 8. Nanay techniques or Filipino mom techniques. Filipino mom memes. Background. Filipino moms have unique parenting styles, leading to hilarious memes. Popular examples: di ka kakain? Sige, wag kang kumain. Or, in English, you are not eating? Fine, don't eat. Don't eat. Or, another one is, pag ako bumilang ng 3. Or in English, if I count 1 to 3. Classic Filipino mom warning. This is a classic Filipino mom warning. So, why is it funny? Every Filipino has been scolded this way, making these memes universally funny. Number 9. Pinoy superstitions. Filipinos have quirky beliefs, making superstitions-based memes popular. Popular examples: huwag magwalis sa gabi, baka mawala ang swerte. Or in English, don't sweep at night, or you'll sweep away good luck. Or another one is, huwag kang turo ng turo, baka ka magkakuliti. Or, don't point too much, or you'll get a style. Okay, let's move. So, why is it funny? Many grew up with these beliefs, making them perfect for meme humor. Number 10. Election and political memes. Filipinos love making fun of politics, turning every election into a meme season. Popular examples is nangangako ng pagbabago pero same old, or in English, promises change but stays the same. So, why is it funny for the Filipinos? Politics is stressful, so Filipinos cope with humor. Number 11. Walang forever, or there's no forever in English. This meme became popular because of the common joke in Filipino culture that true love or happy endings don't last. It's often used to tease people about heartbreak, unrequited love, or even failed promises. Example, meme caption. Sabi niya, di niya ako iiwan. Pero iniwan din sa huli. Walang forever talaga. Char. Just kidding. In English, he said he wouldn't leave me. But in the end, he did. There's no forever. And another one is, nagpa-load ako ng Unli, pero 2 days lang tumagal, walang forever talaga. In English, I loaded my phone with an unlimited promo, but it only lasted 2 days. There's really no forever. Number 12. Hayaan mo sila, or in English, let them be. Inspired by X-Battalion song Hayaan Mo Sila. This meme is often used to tell people to move on from heartbreak or rejection. Example meme caption. Kapag iniwan ka niya para sa iba, hayaan mo sila. In English, if he left you for someone else, let them be. Or another one is, sana sila na ulit. 3rd time na yan hayaan mo sila, or in English, they're back together. That's the 3rd time. Let them be. Number 13. Bakit ako single? Or, why am I single? A self-deprecating yet humorous meme, this one pokes fun at people who can't seem to find love despite their efforts. Example meme caption. Gwapo naman ako. Mabait pa. Bakit single pa rin? Ano na universe? Or in English, I'm already handsome and kind, but why am I still single? Oh, sorry. But why am I still single? What's going on, universe? Another one example is, araw-araw ako sa gym, pero wala pa rin gusto sa akin. Bakit ako single? Or in English, I go to the gym every day, but no one likes me. And why am I still single? So, number 4 is, okay lang yan. Okay lang yan. Or in English, that's okay. This meme is used sarcastically when something bad happens but you pretend to pretend it doesn't bother you. Example meme caption is, crush mo, tinawag kang bro. Okay lang yan, na ibang babae pa sa mundo. Or in English, your crush called you bro. That's okay, there are other women in the world. Another example is, hindi ka na naman sinama sa gala. Okay lang yan, masarap naman ang pancit canton sa bahay. Or in English, you weren't invited to the hangout again? That's okay. Instant noodles at home are delicious anyway. It's already number 15, I forgot. Number 15 is, sana all, or I wish everyone had this. I don't know if that's the right pronunciation. I mean, that's the right meaning. Anyways, a popular meme expressing envy or admiration when someone else has something you don't. Example meme caption, may jowa na naman siya? Sana all. Or, he has a girlfriend again? I wish everyone had that. Nagbakasyon sa Korea? Sana all. Or, in English, vacationing in Korea? I wish everyone could do that. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. That's accidentally. Oh my gosh. Anyways, let's move on. Sana all. Number 16. I'm so sorry about earlier. Utang na loob or debt of gratitude. Filipinos take gratitude seriously, and this meme is often used humorously when someone does a favor and expect too much in return. Example meme caption, pinahiram kita ng ballpen ng grade 5, tapos di mo na ako pinapansin ngayon, utang na loob. Or in English, I lent you a pen in 5th grade, and now you ignore me, debt of gratitude. Another one is, pinayagan kitang kumain ng fries ko, tapos ayaw mo akong samahan sa CR, utang na loob. Or in English, I let you eat my fries, but you won't accompany me into the restroom, debt of gratitude. So, number 17 is laban or bawi. Or in English, fight or retreat. Originally from a popular Filipino game show, this phrase is now used for making difficult life decisions. Example, magtatanong na ba ako kung may gusto siya sa akin? Laban or bawi? Or, in English, should I ask if he likes me? Fight or retreat? Magpapadala pa ba ako ng I miss you kahit hindi pa siya magre-reply? Laban or bawi? Or in English, should I send I miss you even though they haven't replied yet? Fight or retreat? Number 18. Petsa de peligro or dangerous days of the month. A relatable meme about running out of money before payday. Example, petsa de peligro na naman. Lugaw at itlog muna guys. Or in English, it's dangerous days again guys. Just rice, porridge, and eggs for now, guys. So, another example is, ang wallet ko ngayon, petsa de peligro, puro resibo. Or in English, my wallet during dangerous days full of receipts. Number 19 is, pagod na ako. Or in English, I'm tired. This meme is used humorously when someone is exhausted from life, school, or work. Example meme caption is, exam pa lang, pagod na ako. Paano pa kung may trabaho na? Or in English is, just the exams alone and I'm already tired. What more when I have job? Another example is, kakagising ko lang pero pagod na ako. Paano nangyari yun? In English, I just woke up but I'm already tired. How did that happen? So, let's move on to the next number 20 to 10. Pabili po ng jowa or I'd like to buy a boyfriend or girlfriend. This meme is a funny exaggeration of wanting a relationship as if it's something you can buy. Miss, or an example caption meme. Miss, magkano po jowa? Magkano po jowa? Ay, wala. Sige, pansit kanto na lang ulit. Or, in English, Miss, how much for a boyfriend or a girlfriend? Oh, none? Okay, I'll just get an instant noodles again. Another example is, sana may Lazada sale ng jowa, cash on delivery. Or, in English, I hope there's a Lazada sale for partners, cash on delivery. So that's all for today. I am Jana Crispy Baclayo. Again, you can call me Jana or Chris for short. And don't forget to like, share, and click the notification bell for more updates of Pinoy Rap YouTube channel. And don't forget to subscribe. That's all. Bye.